Nobody wants to do it. It's heavy, and then people quit, and then you don't have anybody there for production. Case of water is 24 half liters, weighs about 28 pounds. I heard like everything everybody was saying here are the same reasons that got me into this. That first pallet, it was already a better pallet and easier to store, easier to do everything with. The ROI was instantaneous.
For Formic, every single box was erected by us. We filled it ourselves, then we sealed it ourselves, we labeled it ourselves, and we put it on the pallet. 3-hour process. Now we've got down to 20 minutes to make a pallet of our stuff, which has been huge for getting customer orders out on time.
We realized, I think, fairly early on that we wanted Formic as a partner because of the safety net. It's the service, you know. It's a huge win. And if I really needed something, John to drive it out.
Either they come out with the parts or it comes the next day.
We call them up, we walk through it into something that's more urgent. They do a pretty great job of triaging it as well. So if you have an issue that needs to happen now, they'll send someone out. That expertise though, and I think just talking to Sylvia, talking to the Formic team, how they do the engineering of it all, and really like the testing was pretty great. This is not going to replace your job. This is here to like make your job easier and like let humans do more complicated tasks.
Nobody's going home tired, nobody's getting injured. It hits the door and it's running. So it's been an easy automation journey for me.